plunge for little baby Landon into the icy cold Minnesota lake. And we're going to raise money for Landon. And we have Gracie and Evie and Leah, Ramsey and Haley. And 4 of these are my first grade students who are brave enough, and one other brave person, to jump in with us. So I am going to nominate my friends, Andrew Anderson, Spencer Creer, and Alex Severson, to jump in, and if they will, I will donate $50 a person.
Wow.
$150 for baby Landon, because kids are precious, right? All right, do you guys want to nominate anybody to jump in? Okay, is it too cold? Okay, wait a minute. All right, girls, we're going to head right around. Should we go right through here?
On your mark.
Are we ready?
Get set, go! Good job, girls!